Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about 13 interesting, fascinating science facts. The first interesting fact I would want to tell you is that if a whale likes to eat fish, one whale has a trick to get a fish come into its mouth without the whale chasing it. What the whale does is it easily and calmly opens its mouth and wiggles its tongue. The fish think it's a real worm because the whale's tongue looks like a worm that's wiggling when the whale wiggles his tongue. So the fish get attracted by the worm tongue and then go near. Once it goes near the tongue, the whale chops it down. Second interesting fact is that imagine you're in South America, summer break, but now imagine you're in North America, winter. So what I mean is that in South America, it's summer, while in North America, it's winter. The third interesting, kind of gross but interesting fact is that one caterpillar can avoid itself from becoming a bird's lunch. It looks like the last thing the bird would want to eat, bird poop. The third interesting fact is that in the North Pole and South Pole, there are only two seasons, winter and summer. The fifth interesting fact is because Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, the sun's heat is wrinkling up Mercury like a raisin. There is a chance that the sun might kick out Mercury of the solar system or into another planet. The next interesting fact is that, did you ever see a dinosaur? If you said no, you are not correct. Birds are actually dinosaurs. They're not birds. It's the closest relative of a dinosaur. The seventh interesting fact is that Jupiter is twice as big as all the planets in the solar system combined, including Jupiter. Another very, very, very interesting fact is that scientists have evidence that sometimes in Neptune it rains diamonds. In ancient times, there were birds as tall as 9 feet, 2 meters. Well, that's taller than me. In ancient times, there were also some mirrors made of metal. And the 11th interesting fact I wanted to tell you is that, have you ever seen a chickadee in your backyard? Yeah. If you heard the sound of dee-dee-dees, the more dees, the more danger the bird thinks the threat is. Okay, do you know the color of snow? If you said white or blue, you're not correct. It's actually a clear. The last interesting fact I wanted to tell you is very interesting. The fish flounder, when it's a baby, it has 2 eyes on each side of its head. As it grows, one eye travels to the other eye. And that's all I'm talking about today. Bye-bye. See you soon.